A list of big names attended the 30th PETA Anniversary Gala and Humanitarian Awards in Los Angeles. The People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals event was presented by It's Complicated actor Alec Baldwin. The 30 Rock comedian revealed he'd like to see Gossip Girl Blake Lively naked in the animal rights organization's next campaign. Baldwin thinks the beautiful blonde is the right choice for the job, as Lively is gorgeous, stylish, and a role model for younger girls. Inglourious Bastard Eli Roth, The Other Guys star Eva Mendes, and Addams Family actress Angelica Houston were among the Humanitarian Award winners. PETA is also known for making commercials featuring naked stars. For their big birthday bash, the animal organization featured such easy-on-the-eyes stars as Eva Mendes, Kim Kardashian, Stephanie Pratt, Olivia Munn, and Christian Cerratos.